Hello, good day everybody. Welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, today we're looking at how to check your serial number and your model number using the command prompt. Okay, there are several ways you can check your serial number and your model number. You can go through the BIOS, you can go through your settings, you can also go checking it on your body of your laptop physically. Okay, so but I'm going to show you how you can check your serial number and your model number using the command prompt. Sometimes you're using a particular system and the body and you're looking at the serial number and the body, but what actually you're using is not the serial number. So how do you know that this is actually what I'm using? The system I'm using is the serial number. So this is an authentic way and the best practice to check your serial number and your model number. Okay, instead of just looking at the body of the system and saying that this is what I'm using. So you can check in, you can query the system. Okay, it will bring out its information out for you. Okay, so before we go into this video, don't fail to like this video, share it and subscribe. Most importantly, on the notification bell so that other people can benefit from it anytime we share and post more videos. Thank you. Let's dive in. Okay, we go to our search bar and instead we'll type command prompts, or we'll type in the CMD and press enter. The CMD application, which is the command prompt, opens. Okay, let's type this command, WeMic. Okay, the next one will be BIOS, BIOS, then the next one will be gets, and the next one will be serial number, one word, serial number, one word. Okay, yeah, you can see the command on your screen. Okay, so with this command, just press enter. Here is your serial number of your laptop. Okay, regardless whatever serial number you have on the body of your system, this is the authentic way of checking your serial number of your system, especially on your Windows environment. Okay, so we're looking at now how to check our model number using the CMD or command prompts. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, checking our model number, so using the command prompt right now. So okay, you can check out the WMIC, which is a WeMic. These are the command I'm writing. You can check it also on your screen. You can see the command. Then CS products, one word. Then get name, two words. Okay, WeMic, one word. CS products, one word. Get name, one word. And you can press enter. So you can see the display of your model number. So this is the display of my model number. Okay, it's HP820G1. okay, please don't fail to share this video. What one can learn, others can learn. Okay, share so that others can benefit from this video. Thank you for watching.